India is grappling with the virus from China and the new complications it has caused. Meanwhile, China is capitalizing on India's crisis. It has wrapped up construction of a strategic highway in Tibet, a highway that is very close to the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. This highway has been under construction for 7 years now. China has spent $310 million on this project. It passes through a Grand Canyon of the Brahmaputra on the Tibetan side. And this highway will improve China's access to remote areas on the disputed border with Arunachal Pradesh. This is the highway that China has completed construction of right now. And while China picks up arms over India's road construction in Ladakh, it continues to build such strategic assets along the Indian border. This highway is just a small component of China's grand plan for Tibet. Xi Jinping has ordered a major infrastructure push. It involves building roads, highways, villages, and military outposts. Let me show you something. 2 case studies in the form of satellite images. They are from northern Bhutan. These pictures were clicked on 2 separate dates. The first set is from December 2003. It shows no construction activity. The second set is from January 2021, this year. It shows a road connecting Tibet to a district in Bhutan and a village. The village is called Gyala Phug. This is one of the 3 villages that China has built inside Bhutanese territory. So these are Chinese villages inside Bhutan. 2 are already occupied. As of the first week of May, in fact, 1 was under construction. And these villages have everything. I have a list of what they have. 66 miles of new roads, a small hydropower station, 2 Communist Party administrative centers, a communication base, a disaster relief warehouse, 5 outposts that could be military or police. These villages have everything to serve as a military base for China. They have security sites, they have signal towers, a military base, and even a satellite receiving station. And all of this has been built in the far north of Bhutan. China claims that these are areas that are part of Tibet. What you see now are pictures from last year. The man on your screen is a Communist Party secretary for Tibet. He traveled to meet the Tibetan villagers in this village, Gyala Phug. And he told the villagers to, quote unquote, raise the bright 5-star red flag high. That's the Chinese flag. And he's talking about raising the Chinese flag in Bhutanese territory. And if you haven't figured it out by now, China is taking its South China Sea strategy to the Himalayas. It is building structures to claim disputed territory. In the South China Sea, Beijing has fortified and armed shoals claimed by Vietnam and the Philippines. They're doing the same in the mountains. It has built a highway near Arunachal Pradesh and villages in Bhutan. China wants to do more such construction work along the Tibetan border. In fact, they've released a new policy paper on Tibet. What does it say? It reveals how Beijing has pumped money into construction activity on the border. Reports from 2019 say that China had plans to build 624 quote-unquote well-off villages and farms on Tibet's borders. By 2020, China said many of the border villages were better connected to highways. And all such villages have access to mobile communication. So we have a highway near Arunachal Pradesh and Chinese villages in Bhutanese territory. All of this construction activity is China's attempt to unilaterally change facts on the ground through encroachment and colonization. So pandemic or not, China is not backing down and India needs to watch out. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.